it's Marissa. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing a DIY home decor video. And I'm actually doing this in my beauty room right now. I'm just in my bedroom because it's better lighting. But this video is going to be super fun. We're going to be creating candles, wreaths. What was the other one? Oh, and like a little centerpiece vase. And then I'm also showing you a little like DIY hack that you can do with items that you found in your house. If you have wine glasses or ornaments, you definitely use them. But overall, I spent about $60 and I'm making 4 candles, a centerpiece, a wreath, and then using some of the extra stuff for another centerpiece. So I'm making almost like, I don't know, 7 things. I don't know. Maybe more than that for $60. You get everything at Big Lots. So if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like an outlet store. Better than a Dollar Tree or stuff like that, because things can be a little bit more pricey at a Big Lot, like 50 bucks or whatever. But I spent $60, and the highest thing that I paid for was the ornaments, and those were $8. So everything else was $8 and below. I just got a bunch of stuff. So yeah, so if you're on a budget and want to decorate your apartment, your house, your work area with some cute stuff, this is definitely a great way to do that and get in the holiday spirit. You can use this for Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate during the holiday winter season. I only know those 2, which I probably should know more. I'm sorry. Please don't be offended. School really doesn't teach you anything. Like, we always get off Christmas break, but we're never off for Hanukkah. And I'm Jewish, so I think I'm gonna have to cancel that week, even though it's my final week of school during Hanukkah. But that's still, we're like, it's rude, okay? That's not alright. Let's just hop right into this video. So to start off, we're gonna be making little candles to put like as little decorations for around the house that are like holiday themed. So I picked up this mason jar set for $5. Yeah, and it comes with 4 of them from Big Lots. And like I said, everything is from Big Lots. And I'm just going to take them out of the packaging here. They're so cute and tiny. For this, you're going to need mason jars. You're going to need LED candles. Some like string or ribbon of your choice, and then maybe some little things that you can like hang down from it. So I'll get to that after. But so to start, let's start with one of the mason jars. So we have a cute little mason jar here, and we're gonna decorate it to feel like Christmas. So I got these I got these LED candles. And they're just white and sparkly. They're so cute. And you just put them on like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it in there. Because look at how cute that looks. And then you can always keep this open, or you can always take this off. But I think it would be so cute to keep it on. Actually, we're actually going to take the metal part off of the mason jars. We're going to decorate the jar here. So I got some ribbon, some red, and then some clear white to like alternate. So let's start with using the red. So I just cut some ribbon. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to tie it around. Make sure you tie it pretty tight and you make a knot. So far we got that. We're actually going to cut the strings just so they're a little shorter. So I got these like little things, and I'm actually gonna cut off like the little like cranberries and stuff like that to give this little jar some flavor. Okay. Kind of like, you can always get, I couldn't find mistletoe. That's kind of what I was like looking for. I just couldn't find any. I'm actually gonna stick it, see how like I kind of stuck it through the knot? That's kind of what I'm gonna do for like all 3 of them. So that's what we got so far. I think it's adorable and super fun. Your LED light in there. You can just drop it in. And there you go. Look at how cute that little candle is in there. And if you want, you can always glue it down, but since it's LED, ooh, and you want to like turn it on and off, I would just let it sit in there. So next we're going to be making a centerpiece, as you can tell here. And you can make multiple of these and have like different sizes. This is the only size I found at Big Lots. So we're going to work with it. But I bought, these are so glittery. I'm going to get so dirty and glittery here. But this centerpiece is actually for my mom's dining room table. So I got some of these and they kind of have like white little snow on them, if you look closely. And then I got some of these, and they kind of have like ornaments, and they're gold and so glittery. So glittery, guys, okay? And I thought about making this into a cute centerpiece. So I thought about wrapping the jar in this gold ribbon, but I had a better idea and something that I found around the house. So I'm actually gonna put like, I'm gonna fill it with glitter, like all glitter. I hope this is enough. I might need to go to the store and get more gold glitter, but I'm just gonna add some Mod Podge to it and then put the glitter. So I recommend doing this outside because if you live with your parents, Mama might get mad at you because there's glitter everywhere. So we're gonna go outside and we're gonna get kind of like a bucket or kind of like a pan or so. I'm gonna try to find one around here. I don't know if I have one. It's a little windy out here, so I kind of just got like a container type of thing. And to start off, I hope I have enough. I don't think I'm gonna have enough glitter, but I'll have to go to the store. I'm gonna let my camera charge anyways because it's dying. I hope this is still good. Mod Podge is really good for when you want to use glitter. It's probably the best. I didn't think that through. I'm actually, oh my god, I just poured so much on the paper towel. Oh my god, whoops. So I'm just going to start painting basically this over. Oh, I got some on the concrete. Hopefully my dad doesn't yell at me. Over this. Being in a sorority really taught me about arts and crafts because we would always make our own centerpieces for events, and we would always use Mod Podge, and I never really knew about it. So I guess that's a perk about being in a sorority. I'm not in one anymore, but when I was in one, I learned a lot about arts and crafts.
say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
Okay, so I came out here because I wanted to show you guys another DIY hack thing that you can do with things that you have in your house. Different sized wine glasses, and you tip them over. So first you fill them with little ornaments, and then you tip it over, and then you put an LED light on top here. And if you have all different sizes, it can be like a really cute centerpiece to put on your table at Christmas. So we just have it on this like runner thing. So it's been a few hours and I've been waiting for the vase to dry with all the glitter, and then I put all the flowers and stuff in there, and I'll show a clip of that. But now we're going to be making our very own wreath, and I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. I got some just like ornament, like the little metal clips, but I got around like 50 ornaments, small and large, and just like different types of white and silver ones. And what you need for this is a metal hanger, one, ornaments, and then the little metal things if they don't already have it on. And I kind of did one of them. The thing is trying to like manipulate these is a little difficult. Okay, okay guys, so actually the wire's not working out as I planned, so I think I'm gonna use like this like ribbon type of thing that you tie with like on balloons and see how well that works. It's not for me to say. It's not for me to say. So I just finished the wreath and it took a little bit of time, but I just got these little decorations and I kind of wired them around the hanger, and then I used this little like ribbon to kind of hide the wire and give it a little extra decoration. There is a lot more on this side because I thought I would have enough, but I didn't. I mean, it's okay. You can still, it's still pretty nice, but if it was hanging, it would like go like that instead this one goes up. But so yeah. Okay guys, so that completes this DIY home decor video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. It definitely does take some time to create some of these items, especially the wreath. I took a lot of time with that one, trying to figure out what was best to like tie the ornaments with and stuff like that. So definitely, if you want to do this, set aside some time when you have some free time or downtime and want to relax and just do some arts and crafts. So yeah, I had super fun creating these stuff. My mom actually wants like all of them, so I'm gonna give them to her so she can display them during the holidays. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you like DIY videos or DIY hacks maybe, definitely give this video a thumbs up for that and comment down below if you want more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!